Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to join and use Zoho Meeting. Recently, if you're a member of our community and you want to attend meetings, stand-up sessions without confusion. Okay, so by the end of the video, you will know how to join Zoho Meeting, how to use the mic and camera, how to chat, and also raise your hand, and how to leave the meeting properly. So let's get started. Okay, so first, you will receive a meeting. First, you receive a Zoom meeting link, usually through WhatsApp, email, or another platform, which is the path across. So mainly, you receive the Zoom meeting link. So once you click on the link, so you receive a Zoom meeting link like this. So all you have to do is just click on the link, and it will take you to your browser if you're using the laptop. So once you click the link, it opens in your browser, and you see the join the meeting page. So first of all, you have to write your name, which is important. So you'll be able to be personalized, and also be able to be called during the meeting. Then don't have to edit the meeting ID, just join meeting. So when you click join the meeting, you will get this interface. That's if the admin, the host hasn't joined yet. But if the host has joined, you'll be automatically directed to the interface. So let's wait for our host to join. So when the host joins, you would be automatically directed. You automatically directed to the meeting, or you just have to do is just refresh. Okay, so it's loading already. So if you are joining for the first time, you'll be requested access to your microphone and your camera. So make sure that you allow it so you can be able to participate fully. So let's allow while visiting the site. So you can put your video off, then join the meeting. So after joining the meeting, you'll be able to see other participants in the meeting. So first you see the host, and then you yourself, and you see other participants after they joined. Now let's move on to the main view. So once you are inside the meeting, you see controls at the bottom of the screen. The first is for video. That's if you want to show your video. That's if you are asked for that. So we have the other one for mic. So you can mute your mic if you want, if you're not speaking, or if your background is going to be distracting and you're mute. So when it's on red, you are unmuted. And you are muted, then while it's on the ash, you are unmuted so you can speak. Whatever you are saying is going into the meeting. Then we have this, which is to share your screen. So if you are asked to share your screen and you want to present a particular slide or maybe a task you are given, so good, you should also be able to share your screen. Then we have here, which is to show the participant, and you also have your chat where you can start a conversation. So when you open the chat panel, you can, if you don't want to interrupt the speaker, let's assume you have a noisy background, so you can just click on the chat, and then you type a message or your question. Then we have note if you want to jot whatever is being said in the meeting. You're not with your book or pen, so you can also jot under the notes. We also have the chat section, as you can also click it automatically from the bottom. Then we also have the reaction and raising of hands. So if the host is speaking or someone is speaking and you don't want to interrupt the speaker, all you have to just do is just watch, raise your hand, and you'll be called upon by the host to speak if necessary. Then you can also communicate with emojis, or just make sure you're not distracting the meeting. Okay, so now for watching shared screen, let me just show you an example. Okay, so now this is the what I'm doing now. Okay, I want to share a screen. That's from the admin. I mean from the host. So when the host is sharing, you would see this. So this is now the host sharing his screen for you to see. Do you understand? And also, if you also want to share, you can just come here, tap here, share your screen. So you choose the screen you want, like okay. You can just choose the whatever screen you want to choose, and then you present. Then you also have whiteboard. That if you want to just like tell me you have your board, but we don't really need that right now. So this is what the whiteboard looks like. So you and other people in the meeting can also communicate with the whiteboard. So let me just do that from the other screen, the host part. This is the host right now. You can see this. So if I should write host in the so the host right now. So you'll be seeing it directly. So everyone in the meeting can participate in the whiteboard, and you can also start sharing. Okay, so what other thing do we need to know? So this is your meeting note where you jot whatever you want to jot. You want to enter full screen to avoid distraction. Also have picture in picture. That's if you are doing other things. So you can just have it here, but it won't be good. So you have to show your full maximum participation, except in rare occasion. So you can exit the full screen. You can also invite participants if they are meant to be here. So you just copy the link and send it to them, or copy the invitation. So this is what an invitation looks like. This is the whole invitation here. This is what you'll be getting. Then this is the meeting link. You just know the difference between the both. You can also change the layout however you want it to be. Actively speaking, which I'm the one speaking right now. Or you want to switch it to sidebar. Or you want to switch it to top bar. Just however you feel it's okay to you. Okay, so then other we have settings to make sure that your computer audio, you want to use your phone audio. That is, you're not connecting with your computer, you want to connect with audio. So you just follow the steps. Then for video, whichever camera you're using, you select it. Just put on your camera, also put it on right here. You have background. If you want to add background to your want to add background to your video, preference, and then your network performance. You can also check your network performance in case if you're having network issues. So you can also know, okay, if it's from my network or it's from the other party's network that it's cracking. Okay, so if you want to leave the meeting, you press this red phone call icon button. So when you click on it, you'll be able to what, exit the meeting. So after leaving the meeting, you are totally, you've left. Yeah, I can still want to join back if it has not ended yet. You join through the link again. And also other final tips for you to note is that we should join 5 minutes early to help, so you can be able to test your mic, test your internet, make sure that everything is working. You can also stay muted so that in case if other people join, what is happening in your background does not just come into the meeting. And also you use the chat for questions. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share with other community members. We'll see you in the next meeting.